Hey, my name's Jordan, and today I'm going to walk you through setting up a WordPress website in AWS. We're going to be using Lightsail, so go ahead and go to Lightsail. You will need an AWS account to access this, so if you don't have one, go ahead and create one. Inside of Lightsail, we're going to start by creating a new instance. We want Linux/Unix and WordPress. We're going to use the 350. It has a 3-month free trial. And I'm going to keep the default name of WordPress-1. Click the Create Instance button. Now that the website's up and running, it might take a few minutes. We can SSH into the instance. We can click this button, or we can click into the instance and click connect using SSH. Now we need to enter a certain command to get the WordPress password so we can log into the dashboard. This is the command you need to enter. You can see it gave me the password. So we'll be using that here in a little bit. So this is our public IP, so we can use that to access our website. So you put in the IP address /wp-admin. That'll take you to the WordPress dashboard login. And the default username is user, and we need to copy the password we got from the SSH. And now we're logged into the dashboard. The next thing we want to do is create a static IP address so that every time the instance restarts, we don't get a new IP address. We want one static IP. So we're gonna, on this instance, go to the networking tab, attach static IP. I'm just gonna keep the default name, create and attach. Now we can see that this new public IP, and it shows it's attached. So now you'll see that this URL isn't going to work anymore. So basically, in order to access the website, we're going to have to use the new static IP right here. And it's going to be the same username and password. Now when you're done logging in, you'll want to set a more secure password. But now we access our WordPress website using the static IP address. Other than that, the next thing you'd want to do is connect a domain name to the website. So we would go to domains and DNS, and we would create a new DNS zone. So you would click create DNS zone, the name of the domain that you purchased, and create the DNS zone. You do need to buy this domain through GoDaddy.com, Google Domains, or some other website to buy domains. Once you create this DNS zone, it'll give you name servers, which you need to add to the domain's DNS. So we can look at this website as an example, and here's the name servers. Use this link right here as a resource to learn how to add the name servers to your domain's DNS records. After that, once you have these name servers added wherever you bought the domain on the DNS settings, that'll point the domain to AWS. And then you need to go to DNS records and add an A record. So our example, it would be whatever your domain name is. You could put the @ here, shows that this is, we're pointing to the root domain, and it's going to resolve to whatever your static IP address is. So the static IP we created was here. So if I wanted to point a certain domain to the static IP, we would do this. So whatever domain name you have points to the static IP. So now whenever, if I click save on this, whenever I go to this website, it would take me to the new WordPress website we just created. Once you get that working, the next step would be to upload a theme. You can buy themes through themeforest.net, and there's other websites you can buy WordPress themes from. You want to upload the parent theme and the child theme, and then you would only modify the child theme so that whenever the parent theme has updates, it doesn't override any of your changes. This URL would be a good website, good article to follow for adding a new WordPress theme. So yeah, now you have a website to start from. This is your dashboard. You have posts where you can add blog posts, media to add pictures and videos, different pages, comments, modify the appearance with the themes or use the editor, different plugins you can add, users, tools, settings. And then to actually go view the website, you can go up here and click visit site. And this will be the view you see when you just go to the static IP address or the domain name. And then this is when you do the WP-admin, this is like your dashboard view for managing your website. This is the front end view that everyone else is able to see. One last thing we want to do before we're done is clean up the instance so we're not incurring any charges on our AWS account. Click this, click delete. Yes, delete. The only other trick to remember is that you have to also delete the static IP that isn't attached. This will cost money if you don't delete it. So click delete here. Yes, delete. And now we deleted all the resources we created and don't have to worry about paying any money. Thank you. Bye.